Hello everyone, Lois Threlkeld here with the Ladies of Justice League. We are going to be talking now on our real estate investment strategy number 8, short-term rentals. Here we go.
More. What are short-term rentals? Short-term rentals are like a fun way to turn your place into a cozy vacation spot. Here's the scoop. Step 1, picking a cool place. So you choose a spot like your cozy apartment or that cute cottage that you own and make it all comfy and ready for guests. Number 2, share the fun. You list your place on websites like Airbnb or VRBO. Travelers browse through cool places to stay and might just fall in love with yours. Step 3, hello guests. Travelers from all over book your place for their trips. They could be on vacation, working remotely, or just exploring new spots. Who knows? Number 4, vacation vibes. Your place is like a mini hotel with all the cool stuff guests need. Comfy beds, a kitchen, maybe a pool if you're lucky. Number 5, host mode. So you play host by welcoming guests. You got to make sure everything is in tip-top shape and you're helping them have an awesome stay. Number 6, rates and rewards. So since your place is a short-term vacation spot, you might charge a bit more than regular rent. It's like a little reward for sharing your space. Number 7, chilling and getting help. You can manage everything yourself or get some backup with property management services. It's your call. Number 8, know the rules. Just like any game, there are rules to follow. Make sure you're up to date on local regulations and stuff like taxes. Make sure you have a good real estate attorney at an affordable price that you can call and get some guidance and some do's and don'ts. Go to ladiesofjusticeleague.com and get some help. Number 9, vacation seasons. Depending on where you are, you might have busy and slower times for bookings. It kind of goes up and down. So think about the seasons when you're planning. Number 10, fun and facts. Short-term rentals are a blast and can bring in extra cash, which is also a blast. But they come with responsibilities. You need to research, prepare, and know the ropes. Just picture it like having your own mini hotel adventure, meeting cool travelers, sharing your space, and, best part, making some extra money. But remember, it's like any adventure. There are steps to take and things to know. So if you're ready for a hospitality journey, it could be a really rewarding one. Make sure you check with your attorney. Visit us at ladiesofjusticeleague.com. This is Lois Threlkeld, looking forward to sharing with you more.
All right, thanks for listening. Please make sure you like this video, put a comment in there, and share it with other people. Take care. Talk soon.